morning sun. Down they go, it's so much